My name's Simon Rickard and I've been a botanical guide for Botanica World Discoveries since 2005. And today we are in my own garden in the Central Highlands of Victoria. I invite you to join me on this trip to Japan.
Hello, my name is Sophie Holloway. I am a guide with Botanica and my area of expertise is floristry. I am so looking forward to visiting Japan next year and I invite you to join me on the tour.
I lead tours for Botanica to Japan twice during the year, once in spring and once in autumn. And those two seasons have very different flavours. In springtime, the cherry blossoms, clouds of pink everywhere, and the Japanese people love to come out and picnic underneath them.
The first time that I was lucky enough to see cherry blossoms in Japan, I was completely overwhelmed by the beauty. It's such a special time of the year and it's just for a fleeting moment, and I think it's something that everybody should do once in their lifetime.
Some of my favourite gardens to visit in Japan are Kenrokuen in Kanazawa, which is considered to be one of the 3 best gardens in Japan. But I also love the intimate gardens of Kyoto in the Zen Buddhist temples, such as Ryoanji, famous for its 15 stones in a sea of gravel. That garden looks like it was designed yesterday, but it's actually 500 years old. One of my favourite places to visit in Japan is the Adachi Museum on the western side of Honshu, so it's a little bit out of the way and not everybody gets to go there. But it has one of the most perfect gardens I've ever seen in Japan.
As a trained florist, I'm always intrigued to see ikebana, the Japanese form of flower arranging, when we're travelling in Japan, and I look forward to pointing it out and bringing it alive for you. As well as seeing beautiful gardens in Japan, we will experience a tea ceremony, a Mako performance, and immerse ourselves in beautiful arts and culture.
The benefits of cruising around Japan are that we get to travel to places that are very much off the beaten track. Tiny little villages on the southern islands of Japan, which most tour companies don't visit, we're able to access and explore the gardens of those out-of-the-way areas.
It's great to travel by ship in Japan. The heritage adventure will be an absolute treat. To unpack only once, wake up in the morning at a new destination and enjoy the day's travel ahead is just fabulous.